DLG-15T single bar push head stretching machine. First, the hydraulic push head eliminates the need for starting. This machine does not need to start and can be directly pulled, save labor and head and tail material loss, and improve the yield rate. Second, the cylinder automatically unloads materials, saving labor and improving efficiency. Third, dual hydraulic cylinders push the head, and a single cylinder releases the clamp. Fourth, it has strong versatility and is suitable for round rods, hexagonal rods, square rods, and various special shape rods.